I'm Danny Weaver, dealer principal, general manager, Weaver Brothers, Inc. Family business was the auto business. Had Volvo starting in 1958. First one sold September of 58. I guess I was about 13 when I came to the dealership and started working more and washing cars, cleaning the floors, whatever needed to be done around. Once I was old enough to realize what I was really going to do with my life, I knew there was only one thing I wanted to do. I was told that when I was 16, I could start selling, and I asked Dad, I said, remember what you told me when I was 16? He said, what was that? I said, remember you said I could start selling cars? He said, oh yeah, you come next Saturday, you come on in. That first day I got lucky and sold a Volvo 164.
Me and my dad are super close, and I've just always been in awe of everything he's done here. He said, I just want you to know that everything in business in the automotive world is a cycle. You don't have to be afraid of it because everything will come back around. I have 2 kids, 2 boys. My kids call him Grand Danny.
He's here.
Is it? Go get him.
I think just taking care of people is so very important. Treating those people like you'd like to be treated. I think Volvo does a good job of that, and I'd like to think that all these years we've done a good job of that as well. I've always believed in Volvo and felt like it was one of the best cars ever made, and that it does make a difference.